Oh yeah!
Okay. I've got a lot of stuff here today. Maybe too much stuff for even one video. Okay. What do we got here? It says macro USB. Let's see. Macro USB it is. I bought these by accident, thinking they were a different USB. These are way too small for my purposes. I will probably never use them. Oh man, I can't even solder things that small. That's just too small for me to even solder. But yeah, a waste. But only a waste of about $1. My bad. Another small package. Description of contents. Drill. Oh, my drills. Let's see. These are nice. These ones, I believe, I'm not really into the whole tool deal, but these ones look like they go down. My God, they hurt on your hands. These ones go down, and then because of the way they are on the side, you can actually move side to side with them. So that's kind of cool. Granted, I don't really exactly have a workplace here to be cutting through wood, but, well, they were really, really cheap, like, I think $1 as well. So that's cool. Seems to be a going thing here. As long as something's cheap, I buy it. That's just messed up. Oh my God, is it that time again already? Block toy. Bootleg Lego, as we commonly know. Good Lord, what is all this shit in here? There's more stuff in here than I anticipated. I might have to cut this video into 2 parts. There's just that much shit in the mail today. What the fuck am I looking at? I have no idea what all that is to. Oh, yes I do. Oh, yes I do. It doesn't have stickers. That's what I need to know. Does it have stickers? I'm not seeing stickers. I'm not seeing stickers, and that's not good. Yeah. This is by a bootlegger called Hassanhe. Or Sanhe, however you want to say it. And it creates a tiny little 7-Eleven. And I'm not seeing stickers, though, because in the auction, it showed stickers that you could place on it, you know. And they were funny because it's like instead of saying 7-Eleven, it would just be like a kind of generic-looking thing, sort of. Yeah, that's kind of balls, isn't it? I think these pricks cheated me out of that. Oh, nope. Okay, it does have a at least one little logo there. Yeah, as you can see, it's just a 7. There's no 11. The printing isn't too bad. There's a little bit of a error there, but you know that's expected because it is about as bootleggy as things get. I can deal with that. There we go. How about some more light? That might be nice. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so that's 7-Eleven. It should look cute. Actually, I got a few of these, and they're in different styles. They're up to about... Bootleggers are about up to maybe 7 different 7-Eleven designs. This one is a micro one, as you can tell. It's too small for a regular minifigure to run around in, but, you know, I might actually just make a large 7-Eleven for minifigures to run around in. Very cool, in my opinion. Let's see. Well, what do we have here? Block toy. Let me guess. Yes. This would be a larger version of the thing that I just opened up. And still, it's not as large as I would like. I actually went onto Google Maps and started going past old 7-Elevens I used to visit years ago, and recorded all their images from the street just so I could potentially make a large 7-Eleven for Lego figures later on. Yeah. Let's see, a big old doorway. Yeah, this is for Lego-sized characters. Okay. Quite a bit of parts. What is this thing? Oh, this looks like a brick separator piece or something. Oh my god, I can't even open these. These are like super heat sealed. They're not just heat sealed, they're super heat sealed. Let's see. Yeah, this is a brick separating tool. I never had luck with these, even when Lego made them. It's a nice little clear green piece, though. I could probably use it somewhere. But yeah, plates, 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 plates. And let's see what their 7-Eleven sticker looks like. I notice among all these different eatery type sets, the logos aren't always the same. Like, they have these hilarious KFC ones, and it's like the Colonel, you know, and it's like they'll have like different letters there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. These ones are actually clear plastic stickers, unlike the other one, which was just a paper white one. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I dig that. A little cash register thingy. And this one looks like it does come with people. Or at the very least one person. Well, I'm not going to go building her, but... Oh yeah, there's also a little business... or I guess that's what they look like in Japan, or something. I guess that's kind of their... oh, hello. I guess that's kind of their uniform there, or something. What? Let's see, where's his hair? Nah, your typical generic hair, it looks like. Boop. Yeah. So when this is finished, and you know, everything that whenever I show a kit, whenever I show a Lego thing, whenever I show a resin kit, you know, eventually I'll have a video where everything's displayed nice and everything will be seen. Yeah, it should look like this when it's done. And you know, that's cute. I would like it bigger. I would like a more life-size scale one. And you know, I'd probably be better off just getting like Lego parts off of like bricklink.com. You know, because you can get specific parts there. You know, instead of like buying a whole bunch of extraneous, superfluous stuff. But yeah, I dig it. They have these bootleggers have not just 7-Elevens. They have McDonald's. They have oh my god, they're up to like dozens of different eateries. I like the Starbucks ones too. It's like I don't even have a Starbucks around here, and I haven't been to a Starbucks in oh shit, I don't know, since fuck. I haven't been to a Starbucks in like years and years and years. Oh no, I did go to one. Okay, anyway, regardless. There's many hilarious representations of popular stores. Oh my god, which one do I open up first? Shit. Okay, this one. Blocks, color, gray piece. Wow, that tells me everything. This one's gonna be a bitch to open too. Man, I swear to God, these are so pain in the ass. You know what? I'm just gonna have to risk it and cut through the side. Okay, I think I know exactly what this is now. A big pain in my balls to get out. That's what it is. Yeah, okay. I know Lego sells these legitimately, well, for quite a bit of money. And I think even on clearance, they were still like $40. And I was like, hell with that. What this all is, all this massive nastiness. Holy shit balls. Look at the size of these masts. That's absolutely huge. This thing is going to be huge. This, a very nondescript brochure. Yeah, it's a Star Wars scout trooper on a air bike, a speeder bike, and as opposed to spending, I don't know, whatever exorbitant amount that Lego was charging, here it's only $18-ish, you know, which is, well, that's less than half the price actually. So, I mean, you know. And some people are like, well, why don't you just buy it legitimately? Well, good lord, I'm not made of money here. Fuck. It's like, take like the Dark Phoenix figure from X-Men. It's like a little mini figure. And, I mean, seriously, are you going to buy her for 75 cents? Or are you going to buy the $300 one that's a convention exclusive? Same figure, just, I don't know, a $300 difference. I mean, it's really not hard to figure out. It is not hard to figure out sometimes, especially the way they price things just to keep the market. You know, it's kind of like the whole diamond industry where De Beers just merely bought up every single diamond they possibly could, and even though diamonds are pretty common, actually, and they just manufactured the rarity of everything, and people believe that, and, you know, people are stupid. So yeah, here's the main part I'm curious about, the head. Because everything else is more or less, you know, generic, except for that, maybe the main body part. But yeah, just to give you an idea of how big this fucker is. Wow, they actually have a screw in it. That's funky. I've never gotten one of these Star Wars kits before. Huh. And that is a separate piece. That's kind of nice. I was kind of wondering about that. Like, it's pretty cool, actually. It's like, you know, here's paint apps, paint apps, paint apps, paint apps, paint apps, paint apps. But when you get to the visor and you get to the mouthpiece, I mean, how shit would it look as if the paint was going off all over all crazy? So what they did was they actually made this a snap-on piece, and that's a snap-on piece. That's rather interesting. The only bad thing I see here is Lego Technic joints, these ball joints that they came out with. It's like, if this is anything like the Bionicle joints from back in 2001 and up, especially when they started getting cheap and shifting to China production, I think it was. I mean, if that cracks, I'm fucked. I'd have to do like a major customization because, I mean, jamming a big old fucking ball in there tends to crack these things. I mean, it didn't used to be that bad, but when they changed production to China, everything went to shit. And then I stopped buying Bionicle. And, yeah. So, hopefully that thing never ever breaks. If I can get it on once, it's good to go. If I can't, well, I'm fucked and I have to create a new joint all myself. So yeah, this guy, well, yeah, you get the idea. That's pretty cool though. I dig that. That's going to be quite a long build. And again, you know, everything I ever show on here, I will eventually have a big built-up extravaganza of everything, you know. Because, you know, why the hell not? I think I'll do that whenever I get a Detolf shelving, so they're on a nice glass case. Okay, one last thing. My goodness. Figure. No glue. Once again, very descriptive. Oh. You know what? This video's run too long, and I'm gonna save this chick for another video. This big old fat ass. Yeah. Let's save her for tomorrow. Like and subscribe. God, it still sounds stupid. Ugh.